Hi, Mr. Eckert here, and in this video I'm going to review some problems from the Khan Academy assignment called Unit Circle with Radians. So let's take a look at this particular problem. All right, so it says for each point on the unit circle, select an angle that corresponds with it. Click each dot on the image to select your answer. All right, so let's do a little bit of labeling here so we can reference what the angles are. So this here is 0. This is, I'm doing it in radians, pi halves. This is pi. Here is 3 pi halves. Okay. And if we go right down the middle here, this is going to be about pi fourths. So because we have 2 of the angles in the first quadrant, I just figured I'd break it up like that and help us out. So let's click on this. And we've got some potential ones. Now this has to be less than pi fourths. And the only angle that I see that's less than pi fourths, and so I selected it, is pi fifths. Okay? So pi fifths is less than pi fourths. And I have to have that off. Okay. Now this one is greater than pi fourths, but less than pi halves. So it can't be pi fifths. 3 pi fifths is more than a half. 4 pi thirds is more than a half, but 3 pi sevenths is a little bit less than a half. So I'm going to select that one. Okay, and then this one here has to be greater than pi, less than 1.5 pi. So this is less than pi, this is less than pi, this is less than pi, this is the only one that is greater than pi. Okay, let's check our work. And we got that one correct. Okay, if you had questions about that, you could go back and watch that part of the video again. But let's go to the next question and see what that one has for us. Okay, so we have points A, B, and C plotted on the unit circle. Which one of the coordinates is equal to the cosine of 2 pi thirds? So 2 pi thirds is more than a half, but less than 1 pi. So remember, we have pi halves right here. That's 90 degrees. Pi is 180 degrees. 2 pi thirds is going to be the B coordinate. So we're going to be looking at B. Now cosine, the cosine is equal to the x coordinate of B. Sine is equal to the y coordinate. So cosine, we're looking for x. Okay, so we want the x coordinate of B. Choose that one, check it. More energy points. Today is a great day. Let's go to the next question. Okay. So we want to see what is the value of the y coordinate point A. So remember, sine is going to be y. Well, it's basically equal to y. So actually, I could put that. On the unit circle, it is equal to y. So I can put it's equal to the y coordinate. So we're going to look for a value that is value y coordinate for A. So we want to figure this angle. So we have this. This is 3 pi halves, which is the same as 6 pi fourths. And then from 6 pi fourths, we're going another pi fourths. So we're adding another pi fourths. So we're going to get 7 pi fourths. And we're looking for the sine of that. That's going to give me my y coordinate. So the sine of 7 pi fourths. Okay. And there it is. Check that. More energy points. They just keep coming. It's great. All right, next question. Final question. Let's see if we can get a perfect score. So points A, B, and C are plotted on the unit circle. And which of the coordinates is equal to the sine of pi half? So remember, pi half is 90 degrees. So we're going to be looking at A. And since we want sine, remember sine equals y coordinate on the unit circle. So we're going to be looking for the y coordinate of point A. Check. Perfect score. Look at that. Okay. If you have questions, please leave comments in the comments below. Otherwise, you can always go back, watch the video again until you get it. I hope this was helpful, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.